Good morning, class. How are you all, beta? Good morning, Tanishka.
Good morning, ma'am.
There, why it is so dark outside behind you? There,
Yes, ma'am.
why is it so dark behind you? No light?
Ma'am, I am seeing, ma'am.
Okay. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine.
Fine. Enjoyed your holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
How much?
Ma'am, half.
Why half? Why not full?
Ma'am, because ma'am missing the class.
Okay. Missing the class. That's so good.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bacha. Good morning, Akshat. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Right. So this is our geography class, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All those who are there in the class, you need to open your cameras, beta. Please keep your cameras on. Yes, Shikhar. Anybody knows the strength of the class?
Ma'am, 30
Like
or
10.
29.
Okay, 30 or 29. Let me check. Cameras on, all of you, those who are there in the meeting. Devansh, Gauransh, Agrim, Ripansh, Anav. I'll just check the attendance, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Arsh. I hope you are listening. Good morning, Agrim. Can you keep your camera on, beta?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Anav. Right. Many are there. So this is 8th B, right? Or 8th A?
Ma'am,
Yes,
8th.
Okay. This is 8th A. Right. Where is the list? And do let me know if there is any new admission in the class, okay? If
Okay, ma'am.
I may miss out on some of the names. And children, I hope you all have read the chapters thoroughly.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Can you tell me the page number?
Wait a second, beta. I have not
Ma'am,
come.
where?
I have not come to any of the page number, bacha. Wait. Wait. Mm, okay, Adya Gupta is in this class only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So there are 33 students in your class, as per my information, what details I have with of you all. So your attendance, and then we start with the class.
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you all remember where we left the previous class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
ma'am.
me, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to do question answer.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, question answers of which chapter? Chapter 2 or chapter 1?
Ma'am, chapter
Ma'am,
2.
chapter 2.
Fine, that's really very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Beta.
Ma'am, I have attended 2 to 3 classes only because I was out of station.
Okay. So you can always take help of the videos that we are uploading, no? Right, class? Rishika, you can always take help of the videos that we are uploading. You can always go through those recordings.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Adya Gupta is there in the class? Do we have Adya in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you please open your camera, Beta? I think it is mandatory for everyone to open the cameras, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to open it. Can I see where is Adya? Adya. I can't see you. Adya, if you could please open your camera. Adya Gupta. Then Anav Kangwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Open the camera, Bicha. Okay. Why is it so dark inside the houses? You people have not switched on the lights or what? There?
Ma'am, in my camera there is some problem.
Okay, fine. It's okay. Aditya Narayan Tiwari. Do we have Aditya Narayan Tiwari in the class? No. Do we have Agrim Saxena? Agrim, are you there, beta? Agrim, are you there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, you can see the attendance which the students have posted
Beta, many of the students they
on the group, and then you can.
No, but then I prefer taking it here in this class because there are many those who don't join the class. They simply mark their present. Is there any Baba
No.
in your, is there any Baba in the class? Some Baba is taking entry.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Right. Fine. Agrim Saxena is there in the class. Akshat Chandra is there. Akshat Raj. Do we have Akshat Raj? Hmm? Who is this Dhruv Kumar? Beta Akshat Raj is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Akshat? Akshat Raj. Beta, I can't see you. Is your camera on, Akshat? Akshat Chandra I can see, but Akshat Raj I cannot see. So Superfoods I have to mark absent. Anvi Gangwar is also not there. Aradhya Nagpal. Aradhya Nagpal is
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Arsh
Yes,
Rana.
ma'am.
Camera on करो बेटा आराध्य. Arsh Rana. हाँ. Arsh Rana is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And my camera is off.
हाँ, I saw you. I saw you. Daksh Bhardwaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh Singh Panyavar. Daksh Singh Panyavar. No. Devansh Gangwar. Devansh Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Dhairya Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruv Bhojwani. Dhruv Bhojwani. Is not there. Then Dhruv Kumar. Dhruv Kumar is there? No. Then Faisal Khan. No. Gauransh Mittal. Gauransh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Gauransh. Then Kripansh Yadav. Kripansh Yadav. Kushagra Kumar. Manhir Kaur is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Open your camera, beta. Fine. Then Mohammad Aman Khan. Mohammad Aman Khan ki Khan hai. Is there Mohammad and any Mohammad Aman Khan in the class? Then Uzair Khan.
Yes, ma'am.
Naitik Garg. Prasun.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Prasun Gangwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Rajneesh Kumar. Rajneesh Kumar. Rishika Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Riya Tiwari. Shagun Singh. No.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shagun Singh is there. Shashank Gangwar.
Present.
Okay. Shashank is present. Shikhar.
Present, ma'am.
Then Shubham Pratap. Shubham Pratap, are you there? Tanishka is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Present,
we
ma'am.
Uday Saxena. Is Uday there in the class? No. Have I missed out on any name? All I have taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 in the class.
Now it's 19.
Ma'am, now it's 19.
Who is not there now?
No, ma'am, 18.
No, 20 are there.
Ma'am, now 19. Ma'am, because ma'am, we are also counting you.
Okay. शिखर कोई है ना? शिखर भी है क्लास में, आई थिंक.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो
Yes,
20
ma'am.
हो रहे हैं बेटा, 20 हो रहे हैं, 19 कैसे हो रहे हैं इधर?
Ma'am, 19 are students.
I know that. I know,
Yes, ma'am.
but when I am counting students, students are coming out to be 20. आराध्य नागपाल हैं क्लास में? हैं. Then
Yes, ma'am.
अर्शना भी है, दक्ष भारद्वाज भी है, धैर्य भी है, देवांश भी है, गौरांश मित्तल भी है, शगुन सिंह भी है. चलो, let it be, no issues. Today is 21st of May, right? So Kripansh Yadav, I think निकल गए थे मीटिंग से, वो again he is joining. Right. Now the counting is perfect. So I think exercises we have done. We were on question answers, right, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I have assigned you some work for this particular chapter, if you remember.
Yes, ma'am. That ma'am, flow charts and all
We
diagrams.
have to draw a flow chart.
Okay.
And soil profile also.
Yes, ma'am. Diagram of soil profile.
Very
And
good.
ma'am, you have give ma'am one table also.
The
to
table
draw.
which is on page 145, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Wait,
soil
And ma'am,
types.
map also.
And a map also which is given in the book. Very good. You
Yes.
remember
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Very good. Very good. I hope you all have done this much of the work that was assigned
Yes,
to you.
ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Very good. Now coming to the, I think exercises also we have discussed.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, we have done also.
We'll start with the question answers, right? Mention any 4 uses of land.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can.
And
ma'am, can I?
Okay.
Can I?
Let us have Tanishka answering, and after that Anav will answer. Right, Anav?
Okay.
The term land use denotes the different uses that land is put to, such as cultivation of crops, grazing of animal, meaning constructing roads, houses, and other buildings are setting up of industries.
Okay. So where from have you read this?
Ma'am, page number 141 and 141.
Okay. Page 141. Different uses of
Land
land.
use.
It is given on the land use, right?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
full
ma'am.
paragraph.
Okay. So if you have to write it in individual sentences, how would you write it?
Ma'am, can I?
may I
Ma'am,
tell?
like ma'am, this ma'am, first we will put heading that the term land use denote different. The term land use denotes the different uses of land, and ma'am, we will put that they are ma'am cultivating of crops, grazing of animal, and ma'am etc.
Right. Fine, this is correct. You can go with this. Okay. So I hope you all have marked this answer.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Coming to the second part of the question, second question of the same exercise. What is the percentage of total land area in India that is covered by forest and pastures respectively?
Am I?
Ma'am, I can. Ma'am, I.
Anav, let Anav tell.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anav.
ma'am, the percentage of ma'am land is ma'am, ma'am, it's ma'am 17%, and the forest is ma'am 22%.
हाँ, तो आप लिखेंगे the percentage of total land area in India that is covered by forest is 22%.
Ma'am, 22%.
But ma'am,
And
ma'am,
pastures
but ma'am,
is-
in this question, ma'am, it is asking for a forest and ma'am pasture.
हाँ तो pasture only, forest and pasture only we are telling, and pasture is
Yes,
4%,
ma'am. 4%.
22
ma'am,
and
4%.
4% respectively. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
was that marked?
Ma'am, now the answer.
हाँ,
Excuse
yes.
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please tell the percentage again.
22 for forest and 4% for the pastures.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Then third one, how are human activities responsible for soil erosion?
Ma'am,
You
may I
can-
tell?
Yes, Prasun.
Ma'am, I can.
Human factors that contribute to soil erosion are deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers, over irrigation, and unscientific farming methods.
Yes. Mm,
Ma'am, it is
on
written on page number
145.
1.
Page
Yes,
145.
ma'am.
Page 145. Right? Left hand side, last paragraph,
Human factors that contribute.
last fifth line. The human factors that contribute to soil erosion are deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers, over irrigation, and unscientific farming methods. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Very good.
Ma'am,
I can give.
Ma'am,
May I? When
Ma'am,
when we seek permission, we say may I.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am,
Can-
may I?
Can we have
Ma'am, may I?
Beta bachche
Ma'am,
wait.
may I?
Akshat.
Ma'am,
Shelter
the
belts.
question 4.
हाँ.
What are shelter belts? Shelter belts.
Ma'am, can I give?
Ma'am, may I?
Let him.
Ma'am, may I?
Let
Ma'am,
him.
I did not find this.
Ma'am, may I?
May
Ma'am,
I?
may I? Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may
Okay.
I?
Wait.
Ma'am, may I?
Prasun.
Ma'am, may
Ma'am. Ma'am, in dry areas where more and more trees, no, ma'am, wait. In dry areas where wind erosion is common, rows of trees and shrubs should be planted to check the velocity of wind. These are called shelter belts.
अब should की जगह आप लिखो. In dry areas where wind erosion is common, rows of trees and shrubs are planted to check the velocity of the wind. These are called shelter belts. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Marked.
Yes, ma'am. Now can I tell?
Wait a
Ma'am,
second.
second. Ma'am,
Wait
next
a
I
second.
can.
Wait a second. In dry areas, wind erosion is common. Rows of trees and shrubs are planted to check the velocity of the wind. This is called shelter belts, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rishika.
Ma'am, the answer is on which page number?
This answer is on page 145, bacha.
Yeah, ma'am, I got it.
Got it? Fine.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
didn't.
may I?
But ma'am, can you tell me the answer of 4?
Beta, page 145, afforestation paragraph, last 5 lines. Or you can simply write shelter belts are the rows of trees planted to check the velocity of wind in dry areas where wind erosion is common. Shall I repeat if you want to write?
No, ma'am.
You will write this only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mark? All have marked?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Then, how can crop rotation help in
Ma'am,
maintaining
may I?
the... Yes,
Can tell?
Ma'am, may I?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I?
Tanishka.
Okay, ma'am. Crop rotation is a system of cultivating different crops on the same land in each year. As a different crop need different minerals from the soil, this prevents any one type of nutrition from being
Nutrient.
exhausted from the soil.
Yes. Crop rotation is a system of cultivating different crops on the same land in each year. This whole paragraph, I hope you have got on page 146. Crop rotation.
Yes, ma'am, I have marked.
All have marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Coming to the F part. Answer the following questions in 50 to 70 words. Soil profile को आपको describe करना है. आपने already diagram बनाया हुआ है. बनाया हुआ है ना? And
Yes, ma'am.
on page number 143.
3.
हाँ. The things that have been given to describe, you need to describe all. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write topsoil, subsoil, substratum, and bedrock.
Bedrock. Yes, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to also write about soil profile, like soil develops in horizontal layers.
No, if you want, you can write your answer from here. Soil develops in horizontal layers. A view of the different layers of soil is known as the soil profile. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
There are 4 distinct layers of soil, right? And then all the 4 layers you need to describe. I hope I am clear and understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the next question. Clearly,
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
wait
Ma'am,
a second. Bacha, wait a second. Anav, wait. Classify soils on the basis of their color and texture. Yes, Anav, tell.
Ma'am, soils are classified according
You
to
need
color
to
and texture.
listen. You need to tell the page number also, so that others, those who are listening.
Ma'am, page number 143, types of soil.
Yes.
Ma'am, soil are classified according to the color and texture. On the basis of color, they are black, red, brown, and gray soils. On the basis of texture, soil are sandy, clay, and loamy. Sandy soil contains more than 60% of sand, while clayey soil contains more than 60% of clay. Loamy soil has a balanced proportion of sand and clay together with humus. It is best soil for cultivation of crops. Ma'am,
Yes,
till
all,
here.
very good, very good. All these things
Ma'am,
into points. This whole paragraph into points, right? After
Yes,
every, when you are writing about that soils are classified according to color and texture, change the line. On the basis of color, there are this soils, change the line. On the basis of texture, change the line after the full stop. Then sandy soil contains 60% of sand, and while clay soil contains more than 60% of clay, change the line. Loamy soil has a balanced proportion, and after that, when the full stop till humus is there, change the line. So approximately 6 points you will get, right?
Okay,
Right,
ma'am.
class?
Yes,
I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
All have marked.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now coming to distinguish between sheet erosion and gully erosion.
Ma'am, may I?
Huh?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Naitik.
Ma'am, differentiate between sheet erosion and gully erosion. Sheet
Yes.
erosion. Sometimes during heavy rainfall, the volume of runoff is very high. If the topsoil is not protected by sufficient plant cover, it is washed away by the force of surface runoff. This is known as sheet erosion. Gully erosion. When rain falls heavily over an uneven terrain, the runoff scoops out narrow and deep pools. This is called sheet erosion, gully erosion.
Fine. Both the things are given on page number 144, right? Page 144 it is given. you will draw a line, you will make a partition on the page and you will write that sheet erosion is a common way of soil erosion. On the other side, you will write gully erosion is a common way of soil erosion. Then you will describe what is sheet erosion and you will describe what is gully erosion. I hope I am clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Fine,
Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, ma'am, when we will do 80 to 100 words.
अभी कर रहे हैं तुम भी?
Okay, ma'am.
Right, Mark.
Yes, ma'am. Marked.
Fine. Now coming to the next question. Explain, giving suitable examples, how human and economic factors determine the type of land use.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, human and economic factors. Ma'am, on page number 142. These
Yes.
are also important in determining the type of land use. For example, in a densely populated area, farmland or forests may be cleared for constructing buildings, road and railways to meet the demands of people. Another example of the prairies of the USA and Canada, where the development of roads and railways has converted in such converted much of these grassland into extensive farms of wheat and corn. Then we can write in this table also.
No.
Ma'am, this table comes in exam.
Which one? No, table.
Ma'am,
No,
number
beta,
140.
no, table you will not write. See, the question is asking you physical and the human factors that determine the type of land use, right? So in this you will write, when you will write physical factors first and then you will write the human factors, right?
Ma'am, when will UT begin?
Beta, can we concentrate on the question answers right now? Page 141, factors affecting land use, physical factors. As it is, you will write. Then you can give examples of the river plains and the plateau regions, and then human and economic factors up till the wheat and corn, right? Try to write your answers in paragraphs, bacha. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this answer can be write in points, this answer?
Yes, of course. All the answers you need to write in points. That will ease your learning process. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are the examples of physical factors?
They have given no availability of water, minerals. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Now, give an account of the various methods of soil conservation.
I can tell.
Given.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am, I can.
Tell beta.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Yes, tell. Rishika
yes,
wants
ma'am.
to tell. Beta, wait. Let Rishika tell. Rishika wants to tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell bacha.
The methods used for conservation of soil there are some of them. Afforestation is the most effective method of conserve soil. Overgrazing by cattle, sheep, and goats should be controlled as land that becomes exposed to the rain and wind. Terrace farming is very effective conserving soil in mountains regions. Contour flowing is the method of plowing fields along the natural contours and of the hills rather than up down the slopes. Strip cropping is the method of growing different crops in narrow strips using along the natural contours of the land. Crop rotation is the system of cultivating different crops on the same land in each year. Building the fields along the rivers reduces soil erosion during floods. Construction of dams can be prevented by floods by controlling the flow of water.
Fine. What else? All points you have read?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. See all these points that are given: afforestation, overgrazing, terrace farming, contour plowing, strip cropping, crop rotation, bunding the fields, and construction of dams. All these points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points you need to write. Okay.
Ma'am, can
We have to define them also.
Of course, you have to define them also. This is a detailed answer. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write. Ma'am, we have to write full paragraphs.
If you will write, that will be better. है ना? हाँ.
It is compulsory to write full paragraph. It is your choice.
You need to explain these methods also, no? So if you are writing the whole paragraph, you are explaining it well.
Ma'am, or ma'am, we can do like this. Ma'am, we can first read the paragraph and we can write it in our own words.
Writing in own words will create a lot of confusion with the children. Some of them, they will not even write a single line properly. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Chaliye. I hope all the answers are done now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have full 1 week to complete your work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next week on Thursday, I will be asking for your work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No
Excuse me, ma'am.
No excuses for not giving the work. Okay. Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, that table soil types of India at a glance. So, ma'am, that table we have to draw on the ruled
Plain
page or
side.
ma'am on the
Beta,
plain
you
side?
you can draw it on the plain side, right? That will be making your learning easy.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Chalo, that's really very
Ma'am,
nice.
can we send this work in today or tomorrow?
That is completely your choice, but then you need to send it on my personal number. Don't send it on the class group. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Haan. Chaliye. Anything else that you need to ask?
No, ma'am.
I hope everything is clear and understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And chapter 1, all the question answers, everything done?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Send on.
Ma'am, send out.
But I didn't receive of everyone. Very few I received, you know.
Ma'am, I have sent it on group.
Yes, ma'am. Send it.
Only
I sent
nine,
it first.
only nine PDFs I had received, not more than that. Got it? बेटा बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
All diagrams
Ma'am,
everything done? Yes, Rishika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now next turn we will have, I think most probably on Thursday only we'll get the chance to have the class. So be prepared with the first chapter. I'll be giving you worksheet on the first chapter, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.